right there.
Have ever seen some
Eric, you got more. Kill it.
Do the Santa Claus swing.
You can.
Watch out.
No, don't die on the table.
No.
No, you were so close.
Oh my god.
Santa Claus swing.
Ó o pão, ó o pão.
Underwear?
That was so nasty. And you're
Is he wearing pink underwear?
Oh my, holy shit.
Oh my god, she totally won.
I never seen Santa Claus
She
serve.
beat you.
I want to see him serve.
Elisa,
Me too.
you're gonna be so drunk, man.
You're a little too late. You're a little too late.
No way.
Yeah, but you're a man. You should drink it faster.
I had to work. Santa Claus is surfing.
She still beat you.
Just playing.
I watched the whole time. I think she beat you.
Somebody take a picture of this guy. Take a picture. Look at the camera.
That's okay. You can do that.
Tô filmando.
Santa Claus is surfing.
How come you don't
Matter
have
of
ears
fact,
on
you
your
see
skin?
that now. No, no, wait. Don't get down.
Oh, I told her I was going to play with myself.
No, tell her what you can actually spell words out to understand what she's saying.
Ah, o Eric não quer mais nada. Adeus.
Vem cá, Reati. Falta só você, meu bem.
Nossa, meteu no.
Ai, meu
Are you taking a video?
Tira a mão daí. Ah, não. Olha ali.
Você não é nem confusão.
Ah, falou, velho. O peso pena.
Peso 30.
Olha sua pança.
Olha a tua pança. Ai, minha cabeça.
Ô, Jamirus.
Ai, Jamirus, cadê ele?
Ô, Jamirus, já tá bem.
Man, they're funny.
I know it's funny. It's funny.
They're really funny. And the problem is, I don't understand what they're saying. So, like, I just,
Nada was the funniest.
I don't know, I think it's kind of funny now. Like, look at over here, we got this fat orgy right here. See this?
Yeah.
Right here.
What do you think about Brazilians?
I think they're kind of funny, and I enjoy it. And I think that their language is very pretty. And I would enjoy listening to it all the time. But English is awesome too.
Yes. So we have to speak
Right?
just in
So I would
English.
love the English just a little bit so I can understand.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
It would be awesome, but this right here is funny. Because the two girls are passing out with the two guys. You know their boyfriend and girlfriend, right?
No, they are not.
No, they're all
Just friends.
No. Eric and Hanato. Yeah, no, that they date.
They are
It's funny.
boyfriends.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They
people
go
say.
shopping together.
Yeah, people say.
They're like attached. They are. Eric said they broke up, which is kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie, but it's because Hanato shops too much. That's what Eric said.
Yeah,
So,
that's alright. Yeah.
you know, whatever.
Okay. And you, 50? What do you think about Brazilians, 50?
About the Brazilians?
Yeah.
I love the Brazilians. I don't like the Brazilian girls that's in the program because all of them stuck up and ain't worth shit. Now,
Damn, dude.
but over there in Rio and Pablo, the Brazilians are sexy, they're nice, they laid back, and they love black men. So I like the Brazilians. Nato is my favorite Brazilian because that's the first one I met. Eric, that's my second. That's Eric right there.
Now
Camera
Santa
Eric.
Claus will surf on this.
That's my best friend Nato. Put a camera, and he's kind of surfing right now.
What's his name?
Nato.
What? Nato.
Naro? Naro?
Nato.
It's Renato. Thank you. It's not
Santa Claus surfing on the sofa.
He's Nato. That's my best friend Nato. Look at him, he's surfing. I'm coming to Brazil.
Oh, o Fitch tá com um chupão no pescoço.
I come to Brazil in March.
You can tell already she's talking
Ô,
shit.
Fê, o Fitch tá com um chupão no pescoço igual esse que tem no
Nato,
pescoço.
tell me what
Eu
you
não tenho
said.
chupão no
She's
pescoço.
not getting
Não
mad
tem chupão lá,
shit.
imagina, eu que tenho, né? Eu que tenho. Ô, Fê, aquilo é um chupão no
She's asking
pescoço.
if you have
É um chupão. It's a hickey. What the fuck?
Wait, let me see.
It's like this, hickey.
Let me see your
Like
hickey.
this one. Eu não tenho.
You do have a hickey. Do you all have hickeys or are they all from each other?
Yeah. Hepatitis is
Well,
going
I don't
on.
think you like
Hickeys are so like
Não é
8th grade. They are.
He goes, sorry, great.
Hickeys are 8th grade. No hickeys. They leave marks. You don't want marks.
Eu vou falar com
Then
você.
someone else will see your mark and they'll be like, oh,
Eu
yeah.
vou falar com você.
Stop complaining. You've been complaining
Wait,
since you were out.
I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you how it is. Hickeys are like